Good afternoon to all of you, and we welcome the group of JPP Cargo Logistics Incorporated as they celebrate their 5th anniversary celebration as a company. So we welcome and we acknowledge them in this celebration. My dear brothers and sisters, as I reflect our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I was reminded by my experience during my clinical pastoral exposure. That was a stage in the seminary formation na ikaw po ay ma-expose sa hospital. So I was assigned at the Philippine General Hospital for I think 2 to 3 months. And most of the times ay na-expose po ako o kami sa emergency room. May mga pagkakataon po, nakikita ko at naririnig na yung mga doktor, pagtapos na yung oras ng duty nila, nagmamadali po sila. Siguro mayroong appointment or they have wanted to go to their families. But basically, when a patient will come, especially the dying ones, they will stay put. They will not leave. They will attend to sa mga taong in danger ang buhay. Kahit tapos na ang duty at oras, ay talagang maghihintay hanggang kanilang maligtas ang buhay ng taong nag-aagaw buhay. Of course, we are so familiar with the profession of a doctor who is on call 24 hours a day. It is a profession that commits oneself to saving lives. Anyone who is not determined to be on call to save lives round the clock could not be a candidate to this profession. We have the same expectations for many other professions and vocations like lawyers, government officials, of course, religious priests. But what Jesus is trying to emphasize in our gospel today is not the relevance of one profession over others, but the basic duty of everyone to save life or to focus attention to doing what is right and good at any given moment. My dear brothers and sisters, there is never a wrong day for doing good. Even a religious tradition like prohibitions of work on a Sabbath is not a valid reason to refuse to save life or improve it. For Jesus, each one of us matters, and every person in need of healing matters most. Even beyond any observance of the law, saving life and human life at that is far greater and nobler than keeping the Sabbath. So as followers of our Lord who wanted to follow His footsteps and imbibe in our life His spirituality, let us continue to follow Him by saving lives, by promoting and defending life. Kaya tayong lahat dapat ay pro-life. Dahil ang Panginoon, nagkatawang tao, alam niyo naman po, para tayo'y iligtas at para tayo magkaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan. So let us continue to uphold what is right, at the same time defend life and promote life at its best, because that is what the Lord is also expecting from us.